Welcome back. So my friend Alex over at Truckcraft Performance asked me to convert his damaged Volvo headlights into these. So first I start by removing the rear caps. I've already taken the front lens off as they were glass and broken. They're quite handy on these headlights because they literally just clip on. So yeah, take out all the rear covers, pull out the original halogen bulbs. Next, I need to remove the reflector out of the headlight. They're held in by 3 clips, 2 at the top, 1 at the bottom. You just have to pry them off and then they'll just pop off. So on these, the H7 bulb had like a shroud around it. These just pop out, but they do leave a bit of a bump there, which you will need to grind down. I use like a Dremel to grind it down, smooth it off, so then the projector is sitting there. Next, I'm removing the spring clip that holds the bulb in the back. They are just hooked in, but this one just seemed to be a bit of a pain in the backside and didn't really want to come out. But as you can see, I did get there eventually. It just takes a bit of working out. Here I'm grinding down that part of the shrouds that was surrounding the original H7 bulb. This is just so then the projector will sit in there flush and square. So then when you eventually put all the lights together, your light pattern is correct. Now I'm going to rub all the surfaces down with some wire wool. This is just so then it takes off all the shiny chrome on it and lets the paint that you eventually put on there stick better to the lens. now I'm just going to give it a good clean up, get rid of any loose debris that's on the lens. This is just to stop it mixing and making the paint job look bad. Paint I'm using is a plastic coat. It's a heat resistant matte black finish. Bought it off Amazon. I'll put all the links to the bits and pieces that I use in this build in the description below. Now just giving it its final coat. Gave it a slight dusting to start with and left it for around 45 minutes for it to set, and then now I'm putting over the top coat on it, so then it's a lot thicker, looks a lot tidier. Right, now I'm fitting the projector. That white O-ring that you can see on the back end of the projector is to secure it into the reflector. It stops it from shaking around and becoming loose. Right now I am just screwing on the black shroud that goes on the front. There's 4 screws, 1 on each corner. As you can see, the shroud's now on the front of the projector. When you fit these, you need to make sure that the fan on it is facing the bottom. And then you feed your wires back through where the original H7 bolt in through, and then slide it into place. Now to secure the projector into place, the kit comes with basically base plates. So one would be like the base of a H7. There's others that are like bases like the H4 or H1. So you slide the wires through that first, put it into the back of the headlight, and then slide the wing nut on, and then tighten up with the thread on the back of the projector. Keep wiggling the projector so then you can make sure you've got it secure and tight in there, and just do it up. Just a little bit more than finger tight to hold it into place. As you can see, the projector is now fitted in place. So what I'm trying to do now is fit the switchback ring that goes over the shroud. This acts like a daytime running light, or you can just connect it up to your side lights, so it'll be white, and then you've got a yellow wire that you can connect to your indicators. So then when you indicate, it'll change from white and then flash amber. The best way I found to secure it was using crystal clear Gorilla Glue, and then you feed your wire through where the original side light bulb went through. As you can see now, it's all connected up. I lost a bit of footage. It turned out to be a corrupt file, so it didn't save the video footage, but basically this is it with it fitted and the LED display eyes, which I had to in the end make up like a tube to extend it a bit, so then I could secure it on the back. There we go, it's all done, and this is then fitted. As you can see, you've got your rings, that'll be your side lights, very bright, and now you can see with the dip beam on how these act. They've got a flap inside the projector, so basically you connect your dip beam up to the normal wire that comes straight out the back of the projector, and then there's two extra wires that connect up to your main beam that flip the flap up to give you your full beam. Hope you enjoyed the video. Click the like button, comment below, and see you soon.